These are gas struts. This is my pop-up roof that I built with my friends from RB company. These used to be 60 kilos each. Now they are 1000 newts, which is 100 kilo each. They unfortunately didn't hold the weight, so I decided to put some more gas in it, and the installation will be a pain. I'll show you why. Canvas is designed to be 2 centimeters shorter than the length of the gas strut, which means that if we go here and put it in the fixing point there, and to squeeze 100 kilos by hand, it will be a challenge. Maybe I should use a strap just to squeeze it. Nope. That won't work. I mean, not for now, because it's going on the side. Okay, so as the battery died during the recording, I just wanted to say you that the operation was successful and we have the gas struts fixed to the roof.